Now that we've hung the ribs at a 40-inch spacing down the length of the boat, we're going to start to install what's called pocket braces. The pocket brace goes approximately halfway between the ridge pole and the gunnel of the boat. We're going to use cover clamps to hold it in place, and then we'll measure and adjust it. Just put this on loosely. What we want to do is put this pocket brace halfway between the ridge pole and the gunnel of the boat. So we're going to take a dimension from that ridge pole, and we're looking at about 4'6". So 2'3" would be what we want to put the pocket brace at, which is pretty close. Just has to go down a little bit. And we're going to just check that dimension. It doesn't have to be exactly the center, just a generalization. It's just to keep these ribs from moving fore and aft and changing the spacing between them. We want to keep them parallel. And it also boxes the frame, makes it much stronger. As we continue back with this pocket brace, we're going to have to put a bend in it because it's running out towards the gunnel of the boat too much. So we're going to mark it where the rib is with the magic marker, and we're going to put a bend in it, just a little bend so it goes straight down towards the stern of the boat. We've made our bend, and now we're going to install our cover clamp. Again, with the nut facing down and the rubber goes between the two tubings, and we'll just tighten it up. We're going to make another tubing just like this for the opposite side and install that. Now we're going to make temporary braces to level the ribs up and down so that they're at the same height on each side of the boat. What we're going to do is put a rubber tip on a piece of tubing, and we're going to make a temporary brace that goes up and down like so. We'll put the cover clamp in here. And we'll just tighten it up. Just a little bit. We don't want it too tight. Okay. We're going to put one on the port side, one on the starboard side, and then we're going to level this up and down and get it to the same dimension. Now that I've got the temporary brace on, it's loose enough that I can slide it up and down. What we want to do is take the dimension from the rib down to the deck at the outer edge near the gunnel, and this is 32 inches. We're going to see that we have it equal on each side. So we'll measure both sides and adjust this up and down as we need it. All we have to do is just slide it up or down until we get the right height and just tighten the nut.